Sorry.
Have any other clips or anything?
In the quiet suburbs of Pasco County, Florida, a routine call for a domestic disturbance took an unexpected turn on the 17th of September 2024. When deputies arrived to investigate, they encountered a combative Abigail Lynn Canaris. What followed was a volatile escalation and a physical struggle, all captured on the officer's body-worn cameras.
Yeah, like the last...
Does she live here?
Sort of lives here, not really. She has her own house. She owns a house on Main Street.
So she just comes and goes?
Yeah, she comes and goes.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you, like about 3 weeks ago, she just got Baker acted.
I put it in your drawer for you to get refilled.
Now she's taking my medicine. Can you grab that from her, please?
Hey, hun.
I need that to live.
Where you going?
Hey, stop.
Can you grab her, please?
Call it up. I gotta go. We'll get that later. Stop running, you're gonna get tased! Stop running! I don't know who it is. Stop.
Your hands.
Damn.
What are you doing?
How did you be? I want to think. How did you be? I want to think.
Stand up. Show me your hands. Damn. What are you doing?
How did you be? I want to think.
Stand up.
What was the point of that?
Oh, what am I gonna do?
For what?
Because I don't want to be home.
For what? Why are you gonna go to jail? Okay. That was crazy. Oh, God.
Take me to real jail. Don't take me to the limit. I don't want to go to the limit. I don't want to go. I want to go to real jail.
No one's arresting you. You're just detained right now. You're not under arrest. Okay. Is that you that dropped something or me?
No, I'm looking for it.
Real jail.
Like yellow.
I want to go to real jail. Don't bring me to the Lutheran. I want to go to real jail. Please. I want to go to real jail.
Oh, that was my hole punch.
Real jail.
I thought that was my flashlight at first.
I want to go to real jail. I want to go to real jail. Take me.
Then what?
I want to go to real jail. Please take me to real jail.
You want to go to real jail?
I want to go to real jail. I want to be a criminal. I want to be in trouble. I want to go to real jail. Please take me to real jail. I don't want to be told I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. My dogs are dead. I want real jail. I want real jail. Real jail. I want real jail. I want real jail. I want real jail.
Relax. It's okay. Oh, John's over there. Can we put her in your car?
I want real jail. I want real jail.
All right, hold on. Do you have anything on you at all? Huh? No? Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick pat down, okay? Actually, this deputy that's coming is gonna give you a quick pat down.
I want real jail. I want real jail. I told my caseworker I want real jail.
All right, well, I mean, you were told to stop and you kept running, so
Yes, but take
congratulations,
me to real jail
you're going to real jail.
because
You need to fix the car. You might just give her a quick pat.
I want real jail.
Wow, he just put him on. Sure.
Is there anything on your stick or poke me or anything? You want to talk about it? You're shy, dog.
Hey, let's
Don't even engage with her.
Yeah, we'll you go back inside or whatever, hang out. We'll be with you in a second. Okay?
I gotta clean up all this
There you
shit.
go. Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Did
you get a statement?
Fucking pussy, you can't handle shit like a man. That's why I talk to get. Call the police and you threaten me all the time. You call the police.
She's the offender or victim?
Pussy.
Oh,
You
That
think they called you?
she was hitting. He's saying anything about it though.
so
But we also have the prescription,
I don't
so
want Texas because he's a fucking criminal.
right in our presence. It's in our presence.
yeah, but did she say that she was going to permanently deprive him of it?
She's running for free. She has it. Hey, that's my medication. Can I get it back? So,
We're going to get her recruited. At the very least.
have a seat.
Me.
There you go. Perfect. Mark speed. Thank you.
I thought it was a victim running.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, what?
We got the victim running? She's the offender, apparently.
Yeah, she's the one I was going to.
Well, she fucking took off from us. Gave her lawful commands to stop.
She walked out, she had medication, she took it in her hand. She was like, hey, that's my medication, I need that to live. And then she said, hey, come back over here. She started running. And we're like, well, I won't go like, well, that's the medication. Right in front of us, in our presence. So,
But they'd have to get a medical
I know. And then also the, what do you call it, the coroner's that she was the one hitting him.
Yeah.
And I was still trying to get that information from him, so. Okay.
Yeah, and I thought it was a victim because he was just like, he just wouldn't really explain anything what was going on.
Yeah.
He was just kind of beating around the bush. But she took off and we were like, stop, so at the very least we got obstruction.
Alright.
Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry, I didn't see it.
Huh? Yeah, I know you're going to jail. You're welcome.
Just have it go before we get back in the car. I just need to grab your watch and jewelry, okay? It's all going right in that little bag. I got your phone, so it's all gonna go with your phone.
She's got a headband on as well.
The headband? Okay.
You have your earrings in? Yeah. I'm gonna take your necklace off.
Totally.
Oh, it's gonna go with your property and then
I don't want to.
it's going to your property and you can throw it away when you get out of jail. Okay?
How long do you guys say?
I have no idea. How long do you want to stay?
I don't like it. I don't want to do it to my dog.
I'm really sorry.
handcuffs or anything?
We'll wait till we get to the jail to take those off.
Are you able to take your rings off right now?
Look, I stuck on my finger. I couldn't get the one off before I came down off. Why? I can't kill anyone with rings. They can only choke me so much.
We're gonna go have a seat in the back.
You want some hand sanitizer?
Let's do it at the jail. I'm not taking a pin. Alright? That's right. There you go. It's okay. Perfect. Alright. Can you lean back for me? How long should you do that once? Alright. Just sit tight. We'll be heading out there, okay? I'll put you in the guard.
You good?
After the struggle concluded, Abigail Lynn Canaris was successfully restrained and placed under arrest. She was transported to the Pasco County Jail, where she faced serious felony charges, including battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. The arrest records and supplementary logs indicate that the suspect remained uncooperative throughout the booking process. Following the incident, the Pasco County Sheriff's Office submitted the Bodycam evidence for judicial review. Currently, the case has moved into the Florida court system, where Canaris awaits final sentencing for her actions during the confrontation.